Imagine you ask a guy how your butt looks in yoga pants, and he's like, I mean, honestly, put on some weight, not that good. Think about how that would make you feel. Now let's reverse that and do 4 things women say that make men feel insecure. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are thinking like, we can't control how he feels. He's got to control himself how he feels. But just like that yoga pants comment, I think there's some things we can do to kind of navigate and make a man feel like a man. So we're going to go over those today, right after this. I'm Mike Goldstein of Easy Dating Coach. Let's hop right in. Number 1, Tony is so funny. We talked for an hour. No. Men have a very, very fragile ego. You're talking to another guy and he's funny. We know what that, like, funny leads to a bedroom at some point. Like, we don't want to hear about that. Like, we make you laugh, not that guy, and you're certainly not talking to him for an hour. Number 2 is saying, maybe we should just break up.
I don't know, I thought that with the fight and everything that maybe we should cool it for a little while.
What?
Have you heard that, like, mid-argument? Like, has someone ever said that to you? We should just break up. Like, that is the worst. Yes, couples are going to have arguments. We're going to disagree. But usually, if we're in a relationship and serious about each other, we're putting the team first, right? Like, yes, this is an argument, but our ultimate goal is being together, being happy. So no matter what happens in this argument, we still have the exact same goal: be together, be happy. And in that instance, you forgot about the team and you're just like, our team needs to disband. And what's that going to do? It's going to cause him to be really insecure. So if you end up resolving that issue, he is always going to replay that in his mind. Like, she kind of wanted to throw in the towel there. Like, now if I'm having problems, am I going to be comfortable to tell her, or is she just going to break up with me? And he might be insecure to do that. Or he might just be like, you know what? You know, she seems over this. Maybe we should just call it quits. Number 3, this one makes me laugh. That feels okay. Imagine you're in bed post-sex and he's like, yeah, just worked that one out. And then he's reviewing what just happened. He's like, did you see that move I did? That's my signature move. And you're like, that feels okay. He's going to go, like, thought that was my thing. Like, I thought you liked that. And I've been doing that for 9 months now. Thought you liked it. So that is going to just make him so insecure in the bedroom, and he'll not know what to do. And he's probably going to just really tone down his performance. So instead, what I would suggest is be like, yeah, that does feel good. You know, I love it even better when you do X. So we kind of don't, deflate his ego and allow him to learn your body a little better and do stuff you maybe enjoy more. All right, number 4 is I want an alpha man. By saying you want an alpha man, he's immediately thinking, so I'm a beta man? And listen, I love alphas, I love betas, it's all great. But as a man being called a beta man, like, that's not what we naturally want to be told we are. We want to be told we're strong, we're protectors, we make people feel safe. Beta is like not quite the masculine energy that most men are going for. So he's going to immediately feel like, am I not enough? Am I not strong enough for you? Am I not making you feel safe? So on top of this alpha thing, what I'm usually noticing is a big complaint women have with their men is they're not assertive in making things happen. Like he says, hey, we should go to Nicaragua sometime. Well, he needs to execute on the booking of it. Or, hey, we should go to dinner Friday. And she's like, great. Like, pick the restaurant. Like, what are you doing? Like, tell us where we're going. So what you need to do is give him a little push and be like, instead of calling him, I want an alpha man, which makes him deflated, say, You know, it would be so, give him very specific direction. It would feel so amazing if you picked the restaurant on Friday. Or, you know, I know we talked about Nicaragua. Can we set aside some time to actually book this thing? So push him in the direction. He's not a mind reader, so he's not going to figure this stuff out, unfortunately. But if you help him along, he's going to kick butt for the relationship and the team. Anyway, hope all this stuff was helpful. We'll see you next video. Love all of you.